Ladies and gentlemen, we've reached the swimsuit portion of our competition. And let's hear it for our celebrity judges. First up, she's the supermodel mogul and torturer of young beauties, the creator and host of America's Next Top Dog, Tyra Banks!
Will be eliminated tonight.
Next, he's the erstwhile king of the comedy box office, here to promote The Love Guru, Special Director's Cut, Dollar Store Edition, coming to DVD July 4th, only $11.99 with coupon. It's Mike Myers!
Mr. Hugget Day.
And finally, she's the unconventional beauty who was the breakout star of The Doll Bachelor. Well, let's hear it for our Bachelorette Zambone's mom, Zach! Zach! Zach? Mrs. Zambone's mom? Zach? Zach?
Oh, yes. Just slip off those swim trunks for a minute, and you'll have a very good chance of taking home the title.